Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video, or thank you guys for coming to this video if it's your first video. We're on the road right now, about to do some back to school shopping for Malika. You guys might be seeing this video close to when school is being reopened. We're going on the road to get some clothes mostly. I don't know a thing. Back to school, you have to get some shoes, some clothes, and what else?
That's it.
That's it? Yeah, we don't need any bag or anything because she have a brand new bag and everything. So guys, come along. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Malika is going into grade 1, by the way. Malika Jade. Hey, turning into a big girl now, man. Going into grade 1. I'm just gonna go on the road and see what we can get. All right. So come along, guys. Toddler girl. Clearance. I check it out. Amalia. Oh boy. Yeah, probably over here, sir. That's one. That's not bad.
Alright, $99. Why you can't come over that section there? This is cute. You turn this inside. You know what? From Malika, we're going to surface back to.
So it's just me and the clothes and shoes. Okay. Nice one. How much for that? That's nice one. Should have one almost identical to that. $32. Not bad at all. That's nice.
So, size 1.
Oh, that's bigger than I. That's our cousin's size.
Yeah.
How much for it? Pick it up and buy it for
you. You can pick that. You sure? A size 11.
No, Malika wears size 11 and it's 0 foot bigger. And she can grow into it. Yeah. Okay, she can grow into it.
Don't do these things to me. $32
I think I prefer that one more than the white one. Put it down. Audience, guys, watching this video, which one do you guys prefer, the white one or the grey one? To be frank, I think the grey one better because you go with more stuff. Malika, take your clothes from over your head.
36.
36. That's not bad for 36. What size?
13.
You think that will be more fit, Zuri? Size 1.
Size 1 I like.
So you go all the way up to how much, and then it starts over. So which one is bigger? Size 1 is bigger than the 13. Right?
I think so.
Yeah. Let's buy this Swizzle instead. What do you
Three
think?
other three can fit. Although we can get back if it doesn't. So.
Yeah.
Clearance. Clearance section. We have socks already. Don't need no socks.
Yeah, but did buy a well,
Yeah,
like,
for the socks. So let's go to cups.
you're not buying any of them shoes for Malika? So, I wouldn't have to buy that now.
No.
No. We don't have to buy that now.
Who's that? Who's that? $45.
That's fall. That's not winter.
It's not fall jacket.
How much for those?
$45.
$45 for up?
Yeah, all of them $45.
Okay.
One next time, man.
$50? How much? Okay. You like it, Malika? Yeah, for take up some fresh sister too. Mommy getting new clothes. Yeah, well, I'm gonna underestimate total shoes.
I wear some. You can't put into that now.
Up to one of these.
Sure.
No? Almost a school shag here. I'm just say remember.
So I'm wearing this.
Well, our belly go out the door.
Belly I go out the door. Malika, let me see it.
Hi guys. I'm getting my back to school shopping done. Going into grade 1. Getting some clothes. Getting some shoes. And what else are you getting? Tell them. What else are you getting? Eh? What else are you getting? You're not telling them? But they don't want people see it. Malika, look, do you want any of those? Oh, I'm sorry. Malika, my turn. MJ. MJ. How much? 2 tights for how much? Let me see. Let me see tights.
2
2 for 16.
or $10 each.
That's not bad. You see not that bad for the other day. They try it on for that. The clothes they buy one for Sean, one for Malaya. Where is it?
Over there.
It's okay.
Malika. Wait, not that. Okay. Malika.
Mama talking to your mama. Look. Which one?
Malika Jade. You the choose. Which one you like? Touch the one you like. Yeah,
Touch one you like, mama.
Trying to decide.
That one? Okay, that's one. One more. One more. Thinking.
No,
Choose.
come on, choose the one you
Choose
like.
one more.
Okay, I'll just add another. Too much colors. Choose the one you like. MJ, choose. Which one sides? Which color?
Which color?
MJ, which color?
Which color? The gray?
Look.
Or the black?
Which one?
Or the purple? Or the what? Which
no,
color?
it's
Or the pink?
I should choose this. I'm not going to choose it, but I want to use this. That's it.
Lane 3 for suspension, please. Lane 3 suspension, thank you.
Yeah, it's great. Can I get chilly? Why is it so smoky? Malika, the boss is not to cover your eyes. Guys, it's so smoky, and like, to be honest, every time like we come outside in this, we always get sick. Sore throat and the whole works, so just decide to mask up. Watch it. Bumper.
How come they're so long? Oh, sorry.
So it's all good.
Scissors is at home. Same guy. Fine prints, whiteboard markers.
How many eraser too?
It says, wait, put the erasers. I think another.
Okay.
Want the basics. Box of basics. A box of food bottles.
Okay.
Ziploc bag. Water bottles. Set up headphones. Set up headphones. And the laptop. I'm going to large crayon in here.
Okay, and the whiteboard markers are there. So, open the phone base. Let me show persons a little glimpse of the back to school list that the school sent. This is it, guys. Literally. So there's no expensive textbook for kids just starting school or in basic school or primary school. So I have no idea why schools in Jamaica let parents spend so much money and so much books at that early age. Here is really just supply pen, pencil, crayon, scissors, stuff like that. Large crayons. Large is relative though, right?
Big.
Yeah.
So that's all. The ones here. Just need the headphone, water bottle, Ziploc bag, Kleenex.
Headphones, water bottle, Ziploc bag, and Kleenex. Okay, where's the cleaning section now? Malika, which one of those water bottles do you want?
No, not
No, that's that. Look up top.
That's right. These are the water bottles.
Okay. But that's a water bottle too.
Thermos.
Probably can keep it cool. Maybe.
These are $16. Those are $19.
And that's $9. Yeah, it's cute and it's cheap. $9. That's what to take. The $9 when I get in, I no longer get a choice. Is it glass or plastic? Can't sell that then. Alright, mama, get where I get the $16 one then. That look cute though. Come on, mama. Oh, there's the Kleenex. One box, take up one more for home as well. $1 something. How much box do you want? One?
One box of small or large Ziploc.
You picked up Ziploc bag yesterday.
That's not. I want one of them small.
So we're looking for sneakers and indoor shoes. Sorry. Come on now, buttons. Yeah. I know, bad. That look nice. That one good one. Easy to put on.
So, you like this? You ready now?
You don't like it? Alright, come, let's look on something else.
Come on.
Come. Come, Marika. That's the word for it. Marika, too many options. Yes, guys, so we've been driving around trying to find 2 shoes for Malika, and then everywhere we check, there's no sizes for her. So we'll probably have to wait another day or so and then try again tomorrow or another day. But yeah, we pretty much get everything on the list. So as I was saying earlier, guys, now back to school shopping here, I find that it's a lot easier. It's not anything that's gonna cost you a hard money. Like, most of the expense goes into new clothes and shoes and stuff. But in terms of the actual school supplies, at this age, 6, 7, 8, 9-year-old, it's really just the stationery that they need, which is pencils, marker, ruler, stuff like that, which doesn't necessarily cost a lot. But back in Jamaica, you'll get a full book list, and most of the books them cost thousands of dollars. Even at that age, and I could never understand why it is that parents are put under pressure at such an early age. Even in basic school, everybody just need to feel the need to get a book list and then just send it out and make parents spend a lot of money. But I don't know, back to school shopping here is a lot more relaxed, and I'm grateful for that. But if you're watching this and you're in another country, I want you guys to just do the best you can, right? Now, I know that going back to school is a fun times for a lot of kids. It's a new experience for a lot of other kids and a lot of parents as well. All the best on the new school year to all the persons who are starting their new journey, especially all the international students who are here in Canada right now for the first time, about to start their journey next week for the most part. I just want to send positive blessings your way, let you guys know that you got this, right? You got this. It's you against you. It's not you against versus anybody else. Just do the best you can. Enjoy as much as you can. Enjoy the experience. Enjoy the new cultures that you're gonna be learning, and just bask in it, right? Now you have done the hard part already. You have left your country. That's the hard part. Now it's just the transition. Transition can be a process in of itself. Don't try to do everything all at once. Take it one step at a time. Rely on persons who have done it before. Take guidance and guidelines from persons who have done it before. And don't try and reinvent the wheel. The wheel is already created. Just go out there and strive and excel and do the best way you can, alright? And for all the persons who have kids going back to school, whether in Canada, in Jamaica, in the Caribbean, in Africa, in Europe, in Asia, regardless of where you're watching this video, all the best to your child, all the best to your children. Nothing but success for this new school year. Just sending coverage for them. Your kids will be successful this year. Your kids will be focused, and your kids will achieve all that they have set out to achieve this year, alright? Smash a like on this video, guys. You know how we do it here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Really helps us out. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers as quickly as possible, guys. We can't do it without you. So if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, just take a second to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Let me know what back to school is like for you or in your country. Alright, guys? See you guys in the